Alright, I'm going to install the steering stabilizer that I bought. I hope this video turns out okay, because once again I am on the ground, and really the camera's kind of facing right at where I'm trying to work, which usually means my hands are all in the way. So, let's see how this goes. Oh man, I need to pinch the U-bolts together a little bit. They didn't quite squeeze them enough to fit inside the plate. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll probably go just smack it with a hammer. Should be fine. Okay, instead of smacking it with a hammer, I put it in the vise and squeezed it a bit. Either way, they fit snug now. One is more snug than the other two, of course. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, the instructions say for a Jeep CJ to extend the steering stabilizer 3¼ inches. So that's what I've done. I'm going to try to set it up using that method. I mean, we won't really be able to tell how it works until I drive it, but that's what we're doing. Alright, my wife walked in while I was working on this and sat out here and chatted while I finished this up, which is always pleasant when she's out here. But that just means I didn't record while I wrapped this up. I mean, really, all I did was just tighten everything down. It was pretty straightforward. You just make sure that this is at the right length and then tighten things down. I'm hoping that it's not gonna hit the diff cover. It looks kind of close to me, but maybe it's fine. I don't know. We will find out though. Alright, there's another job done.